In order to calm the beast down, there are a few things you can do to rid yourself of the distractory energy. Mental alchemy.
Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy.
Becky with the good hair.
Becky with the good hair. Becky with the good hair.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Drowning out the noise. Put that noise in the pool and stranglehold that motherfucker.
Okay.
Becky with the good hair. Dennis the Menace. Finger wave.
The distraction of the day is constant and forever going. It's one thing to be in the world, but it's another thing to be participating with the world, especially if it doesn't serve you. In the world, but not of the world.
Message!
When you're getting frustrated and annoyed with the world's problems and the distractory energy, the best thing you can do is pay it no mind.
Is pay it no mind. Is pay it no mind.
If you don't like something, don't feed it your energy. That's what it wants you to do. It wants you to feed your energy and attention. We've been tricked to believe melanated beings think a certain way. The mind control of our people has us engulfed in the awe factor and the fear stories. But a bigger aspect of the addiction is our melanin. Our melanin is a power line. It's so powerful, we feel and sense things better than others. In this power line that we have, it's easy for us to get addicted and have addictive behaviors to things. I know it feels good and it's pulling you in, but you're just addicted. In order to calm the beast down, there are a few things you can do to rid yourself of the distractory energy. 1. Meditation. Meditation is a must when your addiction is sparking up. You can see your thoughts in real time and observe what's for you and against you. Observing ego. Number 2, chakra work. Chakra work is the basis of your emotions. When you balance your chakras, you are in a space of understanding your feelings as a whole. You will begin to determine when you're feeling highly sexual or not sexual at all. You'll start to understand if you're in a place of depression and woe is me energy, or are you able to accept life for what it is and not use escapism to party all the time. Chakra work is a key cog in battling these addiction gods. Speaking of gods, number 3, invoking deities. Invoking these energy streams will help you turn up on your destination. Understanding the energy signature will put your mind at ease. This is how we turn on productive energy waves in our mind. The light bulb comes on. And number 4, and the best or easiest one for somebody to do. Find something you enjoy. A lot of times we're doing these addictive behaviors because we're bored with life. Find something you can do to turn that boredom upside down. For me, it's making videos. This hobby I picked up really took my game to another level, and now I enjoy being able to explain things like I'm talking to a second grader. Figuring out the easiest solution to break things down in an understandable level is key in my transmuting some boredom. Whether that's decoding movies or explaining the author's interpretation of things, I find peace and joy in making things plain and simple. These addiction gods are constantly on the loose and ready for you to come back into the fray. You have the right to binge out every now and then, but observe ego. Can you escape the treacherous hold of the good feeling response, or are you forever running to the escapism in the matrix? Dream wise.
Becky with the good hair. Dennis the menace. Finger wave.